Hi there. Welcome to Grow a Garden Roblox. Today, we're diving into some common mistakes new players often make. Let's help you grow a thriving garden. First up, overwatering. New players might think they're being helpful by giving their plants lots of water, but this can actually stunt their growth. Next, let's talk about soil quality. Different plants need different types of soil, and many new players overlook this vital detail. Plant compatibility is crucial. Mixing incompatible species can lead to poor growth or even plant death. Always do a little research. Don't underestimate space. Plants need room to grow, so be sure to plan your garden layout with enough space for each plant. It's easy to skip research on specific plant needs. Remember, each plant may have unique care requirements. While aesthetics are nice, don't forget productivity. Focus on growing healthy plants instead of just making them look pretty. Pests and diseases can sneak up on you. Keep an eye out for any signs of distress in your plants. Don't forget to rotate your crops. Repeatedly planting the same crops can lead to soil depletion. To sum it up, avoid these common mistakes to create a vibrant and successful garden in Roblox. Happy gardening!